One of the incredible features that you're going to receive as a Platinum or Platinum Plus member is our custom landing page builder. Folks, this was made for people like me that are computer dummies, okay? If you look up the definition of computer dummy in Webster's, you're going to see my name and my picture right there. Folks, I was able to build a web page, a landing page, capture page in under 5 minutes. This is how simple it is. You give your page a name. You meta tag it for SEO, and if you don't know what that is, just type this into Google and it'll tell you what to do. Next, you're going to pick out your background settings by clicking on the blue background settings and then go to the lime green image library. You can pick out an image from one of hundreds of images, and this library is growing daily, folks. Now, one of the neat features about this system is you can actually dull out the background. You can darken the background as much as you want to make your letters in your header and subheader and body and offer show up better. Also, if you don't see a background that you like amongst all the hundreds that we've got in here that are growing every day, then you can also look on Google and Bing, find the background, get the URL, and paste it in the custom background image block. If you want a video background, you can find it on YouTube, get the YouTube code at the end of the YouTube URL for that video, paste it in the video background block, and now it will appear as your background. Next, you can also go to the font settings dashboard and choose a color for your font from over 60 million color sizes from 12 to 72 pixels and over 20 different lettering styles. Next, you can go ahead and adjust the button. You can choose a color for the button color, font color. You can do font sizes from 12 to 72 pixels. You can change the button in the radius of it and square up the button, or make it even more oblong. Now, if you just don't like that button, you can do the drop-down menu for our graphic button selection, and we have over 30 different graphic buttons for you to choose from, folks, and these buttons are high-profile buttons. Next, if you want to add a YouTube video, you can do just that by clicking on the YouTube video block, paste in the YouTube video ID code at the end of the URL of the YouTube video you wish to use, and boom, it shows up right on your page. Next, whenever anybody clicks on the button to submit their information or to get more information, it's going to drop down a block that'll ask them for their name, email address, and phone number. When they fill that out and then click submit, you determine where they go next on our form response settings. Simply, you can leave it as taking them to Guerrilla Marketing Pro sales page, Guerrilla Marketing Pro sign up page, a generic thank you page, or a custom URL page of your selection, folks. Just paste in the URL that you wish for them to go to right here, and boom, it'll take them after they fill out their information and click submit, putting them on your squeeze page list. It now forwards them to wherever this URL is. Now, this system is also set up to where you can build bridge pages, which means that if you want one landing page to send them to the next landing page, which then sends them to a next landing page. A lot of affiliate marketers do that, but more and more network marketers are using that as well. Simply make your pages, then go back to the first page. Whenever you're on the first page, what you're going to want to do is paste in the URL for the second page, the second landing page you want them to go to right here. On the first page, leave this drop-down menu on no, don't skip opt-in form because you want it to collect their information. But then once you're done, click Save Landing Page and then go to the second landing page builder that you've already built. Then what you want to do is paste in, if you're using a third one, paste in the URL for the third one you want them to take it to, but now drop down this menu and choose yes, skip opt-in form, because you don't want to be asking them for their information over and over and over again as they go to different pages. Once you've done that, click Save Landing Page. The page will propagate, then it'll come back to here. Now click back to Members area at the top, and now it's going to take you to your landing page control panel. Now, what you can do at this point is look for your landing page, and you'll find the link for it right here. What's unique is if you want to track this link, you can click here for details up above it or edit the landing page. This is a hyperlinked sentence. Click it. It'll take you to an edit dashboard. Now, if you wish to track that link and put a tracker on it to see, who opens whatever, so just type in a keyword right here. I've already got some saved, and click add keyword, and boom, there is your new tracking link for that custom landing page. Also, these landing pages have an exit pop-up that offers them sources for traffic, advertising, businesses, whatever businesses, advertising platforms, or other traffic sources you have, you can put them in that drop down, and in turn it'll offer that to them if they try to just exit off your page. If you want to turn that exit pop-up off, click the on, it'll turn it off, or click the off, it'll turn it on for you, so it can give you a last-ditch effort at maintaining that prospect. Now, if the page does extremely well and you want your personally enrolled Guerrilla Marketing Pro members to have access to that page, click the off button right here. It'll turn it on, and now this page will be made available to your personally enrolled Guerrilla Marketing Pro free members, rather Platinum or Platinum Plus members. If you wish to edit the page, click the blue Edit Landing Page button. If you wish to copy the page and maybe create another copy of it, but change the background of the second one so you can do maybe an A/B split testing to see how the background does, click the Copy Landing Page button. If you wish to delete it, click the red Delete This Page button. Or if you wish to customize the information form settings that pop up when people click the Submit button, you can take this form right here and you can customize it to make it a little easier to get opt-ins. How do you do that? Go to the HTML editor right here up above it, type in whatever you want it to say. Then once you've done that, you can bold it, you can adjust what font you want to use, and what size of font you wish to use. There are some recommendations up here above, so kind of pay attention to those. Also, you can adjust the color of the font and any highlight color that you want. Once this is done, then what you can do is come down to these two below the HTML editor where it says check box to not get the last name. If you want to make it easier for them to opt in, you'll want to put a check here. And if you don't want to get their phone number, put a check here. This way it's just asking for their first name and email address. If that's the way you want it, click Save Form Settings, and when it propagates to see what your new form looks like, click on the Clicking Here link, and voila, there is your new opt-in form. So folks, this is our customized landing page builder. This is as easy as it gets, but yet as professional as it gets as well. Take care, and we'll see you in the Platinum Plus column.